Your baby's brain is doing something right now that will never happen again. In this exact moment between 6 and 12 months of life, your baby's brain is growing faster than it ever will at any other point in their entire existence. Every single bite you give them either feeds that growth or misses it, and most parents have no idea which foods actually build the brain and which ones simply fill the stomach. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to feed your baby, how to prepare it, and why each food directly supports memory, focus, and learning during the most critical window of their life. Do not skip ahead, because the feeding mistake most parents make is hiding at the very end, and it could be silently affecting your baby's development right now. 1. Carrot puree. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene and antioxidants that protect and nourish developing brain cells while supporting vision and immunity. Wash and peel 1 medium carrot. Cut into small pieces. Steam for 8 to 10 minutes until completely soft. Blend with warm water or breast milk until silky smooth. For 6 to 8 months, keep it silky. For 9 to 12 months, slightly thicker texture is perfectly fine. 2. Apple puree. Apples contain powerful antioxidants that shield developing brain cells from damage. They also support gut health, and a healthy gut directly feeds a healthy brain. Peel, core, and chop 1 apple. Steam for 7 to 9 minutes until soft. Blend until smooth. Important, always steam the apple first. Raw apple is too hard for a young digestive system to process. 3. Banana puree. Banana is one of nature's most perfect first foods. It is rich in vitamin B6, a nutrient that plays a direct role in brain development and healthy nerve function. Choose a fully ripe banana. Mash well with a fork or blend for a smoother texture. Add a little warm water or breast milk if needed. No steaming required. Right here. Before we continue, if you are a parent who wants to give their baby the strongest possible start in life, subscribe right now and hit the bell. Every single week we share science-backed nutrition and development content made specifically for parents like you. Now let us keep going, because the next 4 purees are the ones most parents completely overlook. 4. Sweet potato puree. Sweet potato provides complex carbohydrates that deliver steady, sustained energy to your baby's rapidly growing brain. Wash, peel, and cut into cubes. Steam or boil for 10 to 12 minutes until completely soft. Blend with water or breast milk. Naturally sweet and almost universally loved by babies. 5. Avocado puree. Avocado is one of the most powerful brain foods on this list. It is packed with healthy fats that are absolutely essential for building brain cells and forming nerve connections. Scoop the flesh of 1 ripe avocado. Mash or blend directly, no steaming needed. Add a little warm water for a smoother texture. Best introduced from 6 months onward. 6. Pumpkin puree. Pumpkin is rich in vitamin A and antioxidants that actively protect brain cells and support cognitive development. It is also light on tiny stomachs, making it ideal for evening meals. Wash, peel, and chop pumpkin into pieces. Steam for 8 to 10 minutes. Blend until completely smooth. 7. Pear puree. Pear is gentle, easy to digest, and rich in both fiber and vitamin C, supporting brain health, gut health, and immunity simultaneously. Wash, peel, and chop 1 pear. Steam for 7 to 8 minutes. Blend into a smooth puree. Especially good for babies who struggle with constipation. Now, the feeding mistake that most parents make. This is what I promised you at the beginning, and it matters more than any individual food on this list. Always introduce 1 new puree at a time. Wait 2 to 3 days before introducing the next one. Never add salt, sugar, honey, or spices to your baby's food. Always serve fresh and warm. Match the texture to your baby's age. Smooth for younger babies, slightly textured as they grow. Skipping these rules, even once, can cause reactions that are difficult to trace back to their source. Patience here protects everything. A baby's brain does not get a second first year. What you put on that spoon today becomes a foundation of who they think, learn, and grow into tomorrow. These 7 purees are simple. They are natural. They are powerful. And they are available to every parent. Starting today. If this helped you, save this video right now so you have it ready in the kitchen. Share it with one parent who is just starting their baby on solids. And comment below Which puree is your baby trying first? I read every single one.